I just found the Nano Banana killer, and it's about to change AI forever. Forget everything you know about image editing. This isn't just better, it's cinematic, consistent, and lets you tell entire stories from a single prompt. Meet Higgsfield Popcorn, the ultimate AI for creators. One prompt, multiple frames, and a visual story that stays consistent from start to finish, better than Nano Banana or Seedream. With Popcorn, you can generate full stories from just an image and a prompt. Keep objects, characters, and styles consistent across 1 to 8 shots. Create hyperrealistic Higgsfield Soul-like visuals. Perform perfect photo edits and seamless background swaps. Think of it as your storyboard generator, image editor, and scene director all in one. Want Hollywood-level control? Popcorn lets you craft every shot, every frame from one simple prompt. So if you want consistent, cinematic, aesthetic, powerful visuals that tell your story your way, click the link in the description and let's start creating with Higgsfield Popcorn together. Leave Nano Banana in the past and bring your stories to life. Once you visit the Higgsfield Popcorn page, you'll see bold claims like, from one description, generate 2 to 8 consistent keyframes to bring your story to life. Believe me, that claim is just the tip of the iceberg because Popcorn can do so much more. After we generate images with Higgsfield Popcorn, you'll love it. If you check here, it has a manual and an auto mode. With auto mode, you just provide a single description and leave the rest to Higgsfield Popcorn to generate the images for you. You still have to select your results, like how many outputs you want. But with manual mode, you have control over everything that is happening in your story, each image that you generate, each scene that you generate. You have the freedom to prompt or direct exactly what you want to happen in that particular scene. We are going to start with the auto mode. We're going to upload an image, give it a single prompt, and then you will see what Popcorn can do. Let's do it. I'll click on auto mode and upload an image of myself. And I'll give it a prompt like this. The man looks for a dragon. Walking through the forest, he finds and fights the dragon from the cave in Ghibli-style medieval age. I'll select the number of outputs I want, which is basically the number of images. I can go for 1, 2, or up to 8, but I'll select 5 for this particular story. For the aspect ratio, I'm going to select the YouTube aspect ratio, which is 16:9. And for quality, I would prefer to have the highest, so I'll go for high. After that, I'll hit generate, and Higgsfield will start generating the images. Let's wait for it. Good, so the images are done generating. Can you see? This is a perfect Ghibli-style image. You have the option to animate it, but before that, let's create something different for you to know how powerful this tool is. Still under auto mode, I'm going to select 2 images, a subject and an object, and Popcorn will seamlessly merge them. I'm going to upload this image of a lady and also upload the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'll give it a prompt like this. The woman walks through Tokyo with an object from IMG2. And of course, I can select how many scenes or images I want to generate. I'll select 5 results and hit generate. Amazing! That is also done. Now tell me, this tool is not awesome. It intelligently merges the subject and objects beautifully in those images. And you know one thing? We can push this even further. That was just the auto mode. Now we're going to use the manual feature. That's what we're going to use now, and we're going to create something amazing to animate as well. Let's do it. Now, let's use the manual mode. I'm going to upload 4 images to act as my keyframes. For results, I'll select 2, which means it will generate 2 variations for each of my 4 images. I'll give them prompts for each one. And of course, you can select the aspect ratio, but I'm going to leave it as is. I'll hit Generate, and Popcorn will start generating the images. Let's wait for it to be finished. The images are done generating. Take a look at them. So before I show you how to animate any of these images, let me show you one more feature that I really like about this tool. I'll come back to Auto and upload this image. And I'll give it a simple but very specific prompt. Give them cat heads, hairless Egyptian cat heads, the one on the left with bronze eyes, the one on the right with blue eyes. And I'll hit Generate. Good, that should start generating. It's done. Take a look. So beautiful. Now, let's animate one of these images. I'll tap on any of these images available here and click on the 3 dots. I can either upscale it, edit it, or download it, but I'm going to animate. So I'll hit Animate. On this page, I'll select from these presets. I'll just select General. This interface will open where I will have to give it a prompt. I'll type it in and toggle on Enhance. Under the model drop-down, you can select Higgsfield Light, Higgsfield Standard, Higgsfield Turbo, and even what's listed as Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Sora 2 Max, or Sora 2 Max Pro. I'll select Higgsfield Turbo, and I'll hit Generate. The animation will start. Done. Let's watch it. Beautiful. So with this, you can create your stories so easily. Just generate the images how you want them, and then you animate them right here. This tool is here to help you level up your content creation journey. What are you waiting for? Start creating intriguing stories with Higgsfield Popcorn right away. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, and share with friends and family. See you in the next one.